Hey everyone, Aaron here from Jim's Antennas, and today we're here to talk about our service code for commercial builds. So first of all, we'll start about talking about what is a commercial build. We classify a commercial building as something that's generally above 4 levels. So 4 levels in apartment blocks, it can be up to 100 levels. Now, we can't have 100 antennas in a 100 level apartment block, so we generally have what's called an MATV system. Now the MATV system is pretty simply with that, an antenna, a satellite that runs into one system, it runs down to each level and then distributes evenly across each level to each apartment block. Now this is a very technical and advanced type system for TV. So it generally needs someone with a lot of knowledge and a lot of training that knows what they're doing. So if you live in one of these apartment blocks and you're having issues, or you're a body corporate manager and you're finding you're having issues with an MATV system or a commercial build, don't hesitate to give us a call for an obligation-free quote on 131 546 or have a look at our website jimsantennas.com.au.